Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll explain how to withdraw coins from 8-ball pool. So if you're looking for a way to transfer your 8-ball pool coins to real money or a bank account, then here's the important part. 8-ball pool coins aren't designed to be withdrawn as real-world cash. The coins you earn in the game are used for gameplay, such as entering matches and buying available in-game items. You cannot normally transfer your regular coin balance to PayPal, a bank account, or another payment service. So you need to be careful with websites claiming they can convert your 8-ball pool's coins into cash, because those services aren't an official way to withdraw your balance and may put your account or personal information at risk. So there's currently no legitimate way to cash out regular 8-ball pool coins. And that was it for today's video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.